Hi, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy, and in this video I am going to explain how you can utilize this business plan template to make planning for your business. So at the outset we can see that the business plan template has got two views. One is the business plan roadmap and one is the events timeline. So first we will see what the business plan roadmap covers. Under this you will have the entire business planning divided into different stages. As you can see, we have created 11 stages over here and we have defined each stage by their name. So starting with, we have conception and research, then we have planning and structuring, and it goes on till profitability and scaling. So you can click on this pencil icon over here and you can edit the business plan roadmap for different stages as per your wish. Now as we create this, we can also define the objectives on the right. So once you click over here, you can set the objectives for the specific business plan, and then you can specify the stage at which this business plan corresponds to. And finally we have a completion in percentage, which we will learn in a while. So once we have defined any business plan roadmap for the different stages, you can click on each of these. So after clicking on each of this, you will see the entire display in view. So over here we have the different tasks that are associated with each of this business planning. So for conception and research, we have specified two different tasks, and for each of these tasks we have specified the deadline for when the task is supposed to be completed. After that we have a checkbox which indicates that the task is completed, and once you click on this checkbox, and then you can assign the status as per the requirements. Once you click on this, you can assign any of the status. In order to add a new task, you can click on this new icon over here and it will add a new task for the specific stage. Otherwise you can utilize this template as such. So once it is added, then you have the documentation at the bottom where you can specify the objectives and the tasks in detail, where you can learn more about the specific stage of the business planning. So now after we have added all the specific stages to each of this template, we can start viewing each of the stage and associate each of the tasks for each of the stages, and also provide the necessary documentation whatever we will need for the specific stages. So you can see that this is stage 2, that is planning and structuring, where we have defined the objective of blueprint business plan, and then we have associated different tasks over here along with the deadline as well as the completion status and the status of the task after we have inputted the completion status. So once this is done, you can check all the stages as we have over here, and you can start putting in the details as per the requirements. Now after this is done, we can see that once you mark any of the tasks as complete, so here we have two tasks for conception research. As you click on this completion status, it automatically updates. So here you can see it is 50% complete, as we have added two tasks over here. So once we have completed both the tasks, it resonates to 100%. So as you complete anything and click on this checkbox, it will automatically update the completion percentage on the top. That is what we see over here as well. After this, we also have an events timeline which shows everything that we discussed till now in a calendar and a timeline format. So here you will see the specific deadline date. Like once I place the cursor over here, it reflects December 3 to December 20, which is the timeline that we have set for the specific stages. And you can see that for each stage we have got the stage name and the task that is associated for each of the stages, along with the date and the status as well. So this gives a quick timeline view of all the things that we have planned out ahead, and you can see this little arrow over here which also reflects the dates. So for all the stages that we have talked about, we have specified the different dates as well as the necessary properties. So clicking on any of these arrows will take you to the specific date, and you can see the details of all the stages along with the associated properties. So this is how you can start planning for your business utilizing the business plan template. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. The link to download this template will be given in the description box below, and I am happy to know more about this from you. Thank you.